I'll show you some deals at Target this week, starting 10/6 through 10/12. There's a spend 50, get 15 on household items, and also spend 50 at Ulta Beauty and get a $15 gift card. I was greeted at the door with the Target Circle Week table, and make sure you grab your free bag if you go. It's a nice, sturdy one. First thing I wanted to do was take advantage of the Ulta Beauty offer. So this Maylee's Smoothing Body Serum is $59, and there's a $15 Target gift card coming back, making it $44. I really want to try this. It helps smooth the skin from aging and wrinkling. Next, I'll show you some items towards the household deal. Spend 50, get a $15 gift card. The small spaces is $3.29. There's a $2.30 digital if you didn't already use it in the app, leaving it to be $1.99 after the coupon. The Febreze car freshener, the double pack is $6.49. There's a $2.30 digital coupon, bringing it down to $4.19. You can try to get it attached to the single one. There wasn't much of a variety in my store, and the ones that I saw it didn't attach to. You can add in the Clorox cleanup spray disinfectant. It's $4.89. Get 2 of them for $9.78. There's a $1 digital in the Target Circle app, minus $2 back out on checkout 51. It brings it down to $6.78, or about $3.40 each. The Swiffer wet mopping wet cloths, the refills are $9.99. There's a $2 digital coupon within the app, bringing it down to $7.99. And this is also a larger item towards the spend 50, get a $15 Target Circle gift card. If you can find the Airwick Scented Warmer Air Freshener, it's a single one. It's $3.99. You get a $4 digital coupon, making it free. I couldn't find it in my store, but, hopefully you'll have luck finding it. If not, clip the digital for next time. So the Tide Rescue Stain Remover is $4.99. There's a $1 digital coupon within the Target app, and then 50 cents back on Ibotta, making it $3.49. Now keep in mind the Ibotta rebates vary. Yours may be more, maybe less, or you may not have it. So double check the app. Anytime I can grab the Lysol sanitizer, I do. It's $6.99 for the smaller 41 fluid ounce bottle. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, making it $5.49. And I believe that digital coupon also applies to the larger bottle if you need a larger bottle. You just have to redo the math of the spend 50. And if you bought everything prior to this item, plus the hefty trash bags, that'll get you to the $50. Just over $50 for the spend 50. The trash bags are $11.29. You get a $1 digital coupon off that's in the app, bringing it down to $10.29. So here's a picture of everything in my shopping cart online. It was $50, just over. You get $11 off on digital coupons, bring that down to about $39. Then you get a $15 gift card back, plus $2 back from checkout 51 and 50 cents back from Ibotta. So this brings it down to about $23 for all these items. So more than a 50% savings. And I don't normally go for the cheapest deal. I go for a great deal that gives me the items that I need for my household. And I'll grab those for 50% savings. If you're in need of a Swiffer wet mop, they're $29.99. There's a $10 digital coupon, and they do count towards the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. So you can swap this out. And I thought I'd take a little video, especially for those who can't make it to the store, but they have the cutest Halloween decorations out. And there's a lot of party favors here, too, if you're having a Halloween party, that are relatively low in price. And then the costumes are definitely a mess, but they are on sale. I believe they're buy one, get one 50% off. So if you need to get a second one, You'll get that half off, which helps you if you're buying multiple costumes. And then the decorations are adorable if you like to decorate for Halloween. A lot of blow-up decorations for outside. And if you need these for next year, you can wait till the clearance goes on after the holiday, which is typically what I do if I need to buy big ticket items. But there's really good stuff for this year as well. And I like some of these decorations, the skeletons, and these wreaths were so cute and well made, and there was a lot left. Well, thank you for watching my trip into Target. I hope you got some ideas. There's a lot more Target Circle promotions out there on toys and other household items. If you're good at making your holiday list early, definitely try to get some of those gifts purchased while you can get them on sale. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.